Hello everyone, a warm welcome to all of you in my special episode of Jeevan Ke Rang, Darpan Ke Sang and initiated by Prerna Darpan Sahityik Evam Sanskritik Manch. Today's episode is a very special episode because we are celebrating Prerna Darpan's Founders Day. Yes friends, Prerna Darpan has successfully completed its 3 years and now it is stepping towards the 4th year. We welcome all of you with great enthusiasm. Wish you all a very happy Janmashtami and Independence Day. Here is some great news. Prerna Darpan Sahityik Evam Sanskritik Manch will be celebrating this grand festival as Prerna Utsav 2020 from 11th of August till the 17th of August. On the occasion of Janmashtami, that is on the 11th August, and Prerna Darpan's Founders Day, which is today the 12th of August, and Independence Day celebrations. So these 1 week long celebrations will keep going, and I would request all of you to please be a part of these celebrations. Yes friends, it's a matter of great pride and joy that Prerna Darpan Sahityik Evam Sanskritik Manch has completed 3 years successfully. It is due to the efforts and hard work of Dr. Kirti Kaleji, the President of Prerna Darpan, Om Prakash Kalyani ji, the founder and vice president, Hari Prakash Pandey ji, also the founder and general secretary, Sushma Pawar ji, the secretary, and Dr. C.M. Bhagat, the guardian of Prerna Darpan. And Prerna Darpan has touched great heights. I congratulate all of them and all of the team of Prerna Darpan for this wonderful occasion. I am also very happy and I feel very proud to be a part of this prestigious organization. Prerna Darpan is a very great organization and one should always think of its betterment. This could be achieved only by the hard work of all the prestigious members and the jury members, all of them. So now with my special program of Jeevan Ke Rang, Darpan Ke Sang. In today's episode, we are going to see some very young girls of 74 and 75. Who says 74 and 75 people are old? It depends on our thoughts. Some people think that they are old even at the age of 58 or 60. But some, even at the age of 74 and 75, think themselves to be very young. They are still very active and lively, enjoying life as it comes. And that's the way and the spirit to live a happy life. Very inspirational for everyone. One should get inspiration from this type of people. Today, I will be introducing to all of you some very young, charming, enthusiastic ladies of 74 and 75 years old, and some of them of 24 and 25. Yes, at 74 and 75, Honorable Poetesses Sarla Varachandran and Suman Priya Sikka ma'am are still very young and they dance to the music and sing with the songs enthusiastically. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome these young ladies with a big round of applause. First of all, I would like to welcome the youngest Honorable Poetess Sarla Balachandran from Calcutta. At the age of 75, she is still very active. She is a freelance writer, poet, and co-author. Her poems have been published in many national and international anthologies, and she has won many awards for her poems from different forums. Please welcome Honorable Poetess Sarla Balachandran.
O woman of virtue, walk into the blue-green sea, the mysterious sea where many secrets are hidden, and the magic she creates through her waves are mystical in every way. Let your mind and body be cured of all aches and pains through the salty sea water. Let your hair be wet and stick to your beautiful bosom, making you more and more beautiful. Leave your worries behind, and you will be like a mermaid, so happy and gay. O woman, walk into the sea where dreams bloom in every heart, and your heart will be always blissful. O woman, do not wait, hurry, the sea is waiting for you to step in, and let your dreams bloom in the blue-green sea, mysterious and wondrous. O woman of virtue, be quick, walk into the beautiful green blue sea.
O woman of virtue, leave your worries behind, and you will be like a mermaid, so happy and gay. Wonderful lines blended into a beautiful poem, dear Honorable Poetess. Very well presented. A very positive and motivational poem giving a wonderful message to leave behind worries and always be happy. Thank you, Honorable Poetess Sarla Balachandran ji, for your beautiful presentation and sharing your beautiful poem with all of us. It is a beautiful concept and mind-blowing composition. Thanks once again, dear Honorable Poetess. Let's now welcome another beautiful young lady of 75 who is always on her toes with the teens. A very lively, fun-loving, jovial, young at heart, Honorable Poetess Sumanpriya Sikkaji from Kullu. She is a teacher by profession and poetess by passion. She has also won many awards from different online forums for her poems. She has also published a few poems in different national and international anthologies. Welcome, dear Sumanpriya Sikkaji.
Here are a few lines on positivity. I am on cloud 9 without any rhyme or reason. I feel at the top of the world whether spring or autumn season. I might be 75 years young, but still. Excitement, joy, happiness, jubilations give me a lot of thrill. My children's happy faces put me on a queen's throne. My friends' happiness and their happy faces are like my own. In their eyes, I see God's smiling face. He seems to say, I meet you when you go that half mile to multiply their joys and lessen their sorrows. The Almighty will bestow and give blessings for a blissful tomorrow. When we admire the sunset and the vibrant colors, the Almighty within us, then with our positivity, we start afresh thus. Then we untangle our problems with a renewed zest, and lo, the beautiful sunrise declares, you are the best. My master, my navigator, and my caretaker. Be the pilot of my plane throughout the turbulent weather. If one door is kept shut for me, you open other 9 to let me in. A diamond cannot be polished without a friction. Our faith in ourselves takes us closer to destination. Life's train runs smoothly on the tracks of positivity only, crushing the hurdles of negativity totally. When we feel and believe that the glass is half full and not half empty, we can feel the magic of positivity. Thanks.
Wow, what an excellent poem full of positivity, so beautifully presented by dear Honorable Poetess Suman Priya Sikkaji. As the name of the poem suggests, positivity, all the lines of the poem are immersed in positivity. Yet to see a person of 75 years to say that she is still young. She is full of enthusiasm, excitement, joy, and happiness. She always keeps dancing with the teens. She loves to be friendly with the young people. A very beautiful motivational poem giving a great message of positivity. Crush the hurdles of negativity. Crush the hurdles of negativity and life's train will run smoothly on the lines of positivity. Very beautifully said. Excellent message. Kudos to your creative writing, dear Honorable Poetess. As Suman Priya Sikkaji sings the song of positivity, we have another sweet, charming, beautiful, enthusiastic girl singing yet another song of positivity. Please welcome teacher, poetess, anchor and social worker, Honorable Poetess Karishma Soni. She loves reading, writing and traveling. She has been awarded with many prestigious awards like Nari Narayani Award for her social work, Mahadevi Verma Award, Yuva Nari Award, Sashakt Nari Award and many awards for anchoring. Please welcome Honorable Poetess Karishma Soni.
Hi everyone, this is Karishma Soni from Delhi. I welcome you all at the forum of Prerna Darpan, Sahityak and Sanskritik Manch. A great thanks to Rita ma'am for providing me this great opportunity. As this is my first online English poetry session, I am very pleased and so excited and thankful. So the title of my poem is One Day, and this one day represents a ray of hope. One day, I will be all above the pain. One day, I will be all above the pain. I will learn the grace of the sunsets and the waves. I will be one of them who will lead. I will be one of them who will lead. I will bring new hopes with the rain and its sounds. In the rest of my life, one day, I will be a shining star. One day, I will be a shining star, even after being hurt by so many. Thank you.
That was an awesome presentation of a beautiful poem, Dear Honorable Poetess Karishma Soni. The poetess is full of hope and optimism. She feels that even after being hurt, she will rise above and shine like a star. And that's the spirit one should always have. Positive attitude in negative situations. Very beautiful thought. A very positive poem. May God bless you, dear Honorable Poetess Karishma, with all the positivity in life, leaving behind negativity. May you always rise and shine. Thank you for your beautiful presentation, dear Karishma Soni. Here comes Honorable Poet Hari Prasad S. from Bangalore. He likes to share his thoughts through poetry and photography. He does very nice photographies. He has a poetry blog called Assorted Emotions, and he has been writing poems since 2015. He has written around 120 poems and a few articles. He has also won lots of online awards from different forums. Please welcome Honorable Poet Hari Prasad S.
Hello everyone. I thank Prerna Darpan Sahityak Evam Sanskritik Manch for inviting me to recite this poem. My poem's name is Lovely Weather, We Are Together. Curly clouds, black and grey surround my eye. With your silky hair is my affair. Bolt has hit a chord in my heart. With your embrace, rain has amazing grace. As winter unfolds, it isn't yet cold. With your hand in my hand, the peaks have warmed. As of hearts fond, summer sure is around. With your broad grin, brighter is the sunshine. Thank you.
Excellent poem and presentation, dear Honorable Poet Hari Prasad ji. It's a wonderful romantic poem. The poet tells us about the beautiful romantic feelings of the lover for his beloved. Thank you so much, dear Honorable Poet, for sharing your wonderful poem with us. Now comes yet another sweet, charming, beautiful senorita, Rajshri Satapathy from Odisha. A very young, vibrant and passionate poetess. She is a teacher as well as a skilled writer. She writes poems and stories in Odia, Hindi and English. A big round of applause for Honorable Poetess Rajshri Satapathy.
Hello everyone, this is Rajshri Satapathy. I am very much thankful to Prerna Darpan Sahityak Evam Sanskritik Manch and dear Rita Chugh ma'am for giving me such opportunity to recite my poem. My poem is The Evil Me. I generally prefer to raise my voice against the wrong, against the flaw. I really do it by my own choice. I like to tell the truth on their face. I always try my best to let them come to their sense. They judge me at every step, to let me deep down. They try hard with all pep. My openness makes me wicked, though I don't want to. Still like evil, I am being treated. In the world full of lies and foul, I have to stand strong and continue towards my goal. If resisting immorality is sin, then I am damn sure I will do it again and again. If just being pure is a crime, then I can say proudly, oh yes, it's me, the evil me. Thank you.
That was an excellent and very meaningful poem, dear Honorable Poetess Rajshri Satapathy. The message given by your poem should be heeded to by one and all. One should always raise a voice against the wrong and stand strong even if people resist. I like your spirit of being so bold. Very nice and inspirational message. It shows the inner beauty of your soul. Thanks a lot, dear, for sharing such a beautiful thought. I do hereby stand with your thoughts. As almost all the poems today were on positivity, I would like to say that one should always stay positive even in negative situations. Positivity takes us closer to our destination. As the poetess says, crush the hurdles of negativity. Crush the hurdles of negativity and life's train will run smoothly on the lines of positivity. Thanks all for being with us. Hope you all enjoyed all the presentations. We'll see you soon with my next episode of Jeevan Ke Rang, Darpan Ke Sang. And once again, I would like to wish you all a very happy Janmashtami, Independence Day and our Prerna Darpan's Founders Day. I would again request all of you on behalf of Prerna Darpan Sahityic Evam Sanskritik Manch to be a part of the week-long celebrations from 11th August till the 17th of August and enjoy with all of us. Thank you.